By sharpening your chisel precisely, you can cut wood as thinly as paper. Wood supports its own weight better, reducing the supports required in building designs. Take measurements and leave a thin piece of wood to create a rounded corner. Water will give the wood more elasticity so that it won't break when bent. Drill a hole in the pieces to insert a small dowel before gluing them together. Detachable joints can be very useful when you have to make a move. Polish and clean the wood well to ensure the optimal sliding of each piece. Designing a mechanism like this one takes time and expertise. A locking rabbet joint is ideal for workbenches, legs, or even nightstands. Gradually cut a joint for more precision. By cutting a slot in the joint and inserting a wedge, you will solidly secure the parts. If the joints wobble, you can block them with bowels to achieve a solid joint. Insert a little glue in the holes to get an invincible grab. When there is such a perfect fit, you don't even need to pressure both pieces to lock them together. A template will help you to take more accurate measurements. Mark the pieces well to know exactly what to cut or sand. Rough down well the wood to achieve a smooth texture. You can leave some joint space to polish it later with a chisel and some patience. Sometimes it is difficult to slide the connecting parts. Try using sand or sandpaper grit to gain friction. Carve and sand the grooves with precision to achieve these very satisfying fits. One of the most common traditions of joinery are Japanese and European. If you have to insert a wedge, make a small hole at the end. It prevents the wood from splitting. Finish the joints with a different wood for a beautiful result. Use hand tools for a more efficient and accurate finish. Remember to have your chisels well sharpened before you start polishing. Before gluing, clean the surfaces thoroughly to remove any dust, grease, or dirt. For more precise work, it is better to use hand tools. Gradually mark and cut the wood to achieve a more precise joint. Polish and clean the wood before gluing to prevent the accumulation of dust or dirt. In precision works like this one, you must use the right tools. A mallet will protect the surface from marking or chipping. Mark well the areas to be sawed before cutting. Table saws allow level cutting for more accuracy and speed. You can even use the same wood to obtain the measurements. You don't need nails to join two pieces of wood together. With only skill and a chisel you can obtain a very strong connection. A good finish requires attention to detail. These wooden hinges have a very fine adjustment. Polish them well and make sure they fit perfectly. After fitting them into the pin, you can cover them with a little oil to cure the wood. These draw bolts can achieve higher torque levels. Compared to traditional connectors, they provide much greater resistance. These band clamps will help you achieve a solid gluing.